Hey guys, this is Aidan Corkery and I'm going to be showing you a quick demonstration of how to use the LeadModo software and how you can actually start growing your email subscriber list. But also what's unique about LeadModo is that you can start growing your Facebook Messenger list as well, because LeadModo is fully integrated with ManyChat, and that is something that you should be doing if you're not already doing in your marketing, is starting to grow your Facebook Messenger bot audience, and that's what I'm going to be using this demonstration for, is just to show you the power of LeadModo and how you can actually start driving new leads into your bot list and also your email list, as I mentioned already. So LeadModo, as you probably are aware of now, is you can create quizzes, polls and surveys with the software, and you can share them on your website, you can share them on your social media profiles. Pretty much anywhere you can share these quizzes, polls and surveys. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to be sharing a quiz to my Facebook profile and generating some new leads from there. So this is a pre-made quiz that I made already, and what I really like about pardon me, the LeadModo app is that it's highly customizable. Here's something that I did very, very quickly, and again, obviously my niche is around the make money online niche, the biz op niche, and so I'm friends on my Facebook profile, for example, with a lot of internet marketers. So that's the sort of angle that I'm going with this particular quiz. I'm sort of saying, what kind of marketing animal are you? And I have like a funny picture in the background here. So this was actually like a pre-made template. I just went in and edited it, which is great. So you can use existing templates here from the template section. You can just go ahead and edit anything that you want, really. So that's the test for the quiz. What kind of marketing animal are you? And then I swapped in some images here, and then I just again, I used some of the questions that were already there, but I also added in my own questions. So you can see here, what's your favorite type of traffic? And I said I have my list of answers here. They're all correct. So I have I think 5 questions in total, but you can add in as many as you want. Pretty much. So that's just an example. So you see questions 1 to 5 here. I have 5 questions altogether. You'll see them in a few minutes when I go through the demonstration. Pardon me. I suppose this is the real cool feature of LeadModo, is here you have the option of integrating your email list and your messenger bot list. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to select, you can see here, Optin form, Facebook Messenger, or you can just click Facebook Messenger. So you can see here the button says send to messenger. I have my ManyChat. You can see here my growth tool. My scripts have been integrated. There's training, video training on how to do all this inside the members area, so don't worry if you don't know how to do it. All you need is a ManyChat account. So that's all hooked up, ready to go. Pardon me. And you can see the quiz here. It doesn't matter what answers people pick. They're all going to end up on the same image if they decide to skip the quiz. Because sorry, I meant to say that is an option. There will be a little skip button up here where you can choose to skip the answers, or sorry, to skip to the end of the quiz to find out what type of animal they are. So there is a conclusion to the quiz, which I think is really, really important. So again, people will be sort of interrupted by this page, and they can skip it, or they can opt into your messenger bot, or they can opt into your email list. So you have 3 different options here to guide your lead of where you want to send them. So if you want to build your email list, you can do that. If you want to just grow your bot list, you can do that. Or if you want to do both, you can do that too. So for the purpose of this demonstration, I'm gonna leave it in the opt-in form messenger button setting here. So if they do decide to skip that, they will be then taken to the sort of the results of the quiz when they answer the question. So I have pretty much any answers that they pick, they'll all end up being polar bears. So you can again have a little landing page here, just giving them the results of their quiz. So obviously the quiz is what kind of marketing animal are you? There sort of has to be an end result, and then they have a picture of a polar bear and why they're a polar bear. So again, that's just something I did really, really quickly. And pretty much once you have that done, you can have another landing page here, but we're going to skip that for the moment. Okay, so you have all the options here, your integrations, your quiz URL, you can embed it somewhere, you can have it pop up or on your website when people log into your site, the quiz can pop up automatically. So lots of cool different ways to integrate the quiz wherever you want to send or share it. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm going to actually share it on my profile. So I'm going to, you see all the different social platforms you can share your quizzes on. A lot here. I want to share it on Facebook. So let's go and log me in here. I should be logged in already. Okay, so you can sort of see here, has an image here. What kind of marketing animal are you? And I'm just going to say, let me know. Okay, this quiz will tell you a lot about your marketing personality. Oops. Can't spell today. Still can't spell. Oh my God. There we go. So, oh, what you got? Okay, so maybe again you can have different outcomes. I just have the one, but just for the purpose of this demonstration, I might just leave that out and just see again how it goes. So I'm posting this to my friends. It's going to this profile. Now this profile has a lot of targeted friends who are involved in the internet marketing niche. So example, if you have a fan page or if you have a Facebook group or again on your website, you just know your niche, create a quiz based around your niche and share it. So that's all you pretty much have to do. So I don't know where that's gone again. I'll have to post it again. Okay, and I'm just going to post this to my Facebook profile. So I'm sharing it to my timeline. And I'll go back here. I'm just going to refresh the page. Yeah, and you can see here, it's already on my Facebook profile, and I see my dog here. So I'm just going to show this post some love. And that's pretty much it, guys, the ease of it. So obviously when people, again, just to show you the sort of outcome of what's going to happen here. So they'll click on this on my Facebook profile. The quiz should load up in a second. My laptop's just being a little bit slow. Here it is. So they'll start the quiz. Again, you can see here my questions load up. What's your favorite type of traffic? I'm going to put Facebook. Are you more outspoken or reserved? I'll just say I can be loud and enjoy the quiet. What's your favorite color? I'll do green for Ireland. What's your morning drink? Definitely coffee. What's your favorite leisure activity away from your laptop? I'll say relaxing with friends. Okay, boom, there is the option then to get my free instant buyer traffic PDF. They can enter their email address or they can send the messenger here. I'm going to click send the messenger. And okay, automatically then I'm going to be getting a automated message from ManyChat. It's going to arrive in 1 second. There it is. Okay, popped up there. Boom, in my fan page here. And I got the instant message showing people the links to their free PDF. Okay, so that's working there. It's integrated with my ManyChat account. I'll just show you there. It says LeadModo. Should have an opt-in now. Yep, you can see there, look, there's my opt. Now that's me, okay, but you see someone has already clicked on the link, those impressions will start going up. Okay, so it's got opt-in here, one, and if they do decide to skip, they will be then taken to this image here, their polar bear, and they get to the end of the quiz. Okay, so that's the power of it, guys. It's very, very straightforward, very simple to use, very, very easy to create these quizzes. And again, you can get more creative as you become more comfortable with the software. You can start adding in more outcomes, different animals, for example. So yeah, so based on the answers that they pick, you can have them set to have different animals show up. So I just have everyone's going to be a polar bear, whatever answer they pick. But again, it's the whole point of this, guys, is this here. It's about growing your bot list, growing your email list with those leads who are clicking from your Facebook profile, doing this quiz, and yeah. You can see here just the automated messaging. It's functioning with ManyChat here, and you can use it to grow your bot list as well. So I think that's really, really cool. As I said, ManyChat and sort of messenger marketing is huge. It's only going to get bigger, and you can use it with your email marketing as well, which is hugely important. So hopefully I'm going to pause the video here, guys, and I'll report back later and let you know the results that I had with this particular case study and how many leads that I generated, and hopefully I have some results to show you. So I'm going to pause the video here, guys, and thanks for watching this. Okay, guys, so it's just been, you can see here, 3 hours since I made that post with the quiz that I posted to my Facebook profile, and I just want to show you the results very, very quickly that I've had so far. So you can see the last sort of clip that I showed you, I had one opt-in, which was from myself, but I've had under 4 opt-ins since then. You can see 10 impressions. The quiz is actually converting very, very well, so it's getting 50% conversion, or I would say 40% conversion really if you take away my opt-in. And yeah, it's people are being added to my my bot list. Okay, so I'm getting opt-ins. My audience is growing. You can see here, these are some of the people that opted in earlier, the last 2 people, 4 people I should say. So yeah, it's really, really cool. It's effective, it's fun, and people are engaging with the quiz, which is the most important thing. And these are free leads that I'm generating and subscribers that I'm adding to my bot list using the LeadModo quizzes. So that's one example of just how it works, guys, and you just see the proof that I am getting opt-ins and it is working. So hope that makes sense, and cheers for watching this, guys, and I hope you see inside the members area. Okay, guys, just wanted to add on to this case study video and just show you just a little update on how the quiz post I made is performing. So I actually went back and I changed the image cover. That's why you can just see a little bit of a change here. So these changes, again, you can see the copy is still the same, and I just changed the image template. It's been a couple of days since I made the post, about 3 days ago, and I just want to make an update and just show you the results that I've had with this particular post that I made on my Facebook profile. And you can see here it had 58 impressions, so that's 58 free clicks. And you can see here I've had 16 opt-ins. Obviously one was me, so I have 15 new leads added from just posting this quiz to my Facebook profile. And you can see decent conversion, 27.6%, and 100% of people opened the message that I sent, and there was nothing really to click. So you see that there. Really, I think that's, again, very solid conversion, and it's all free traffic just from my Facebook profile, and I've added 16 new leads to my bot, absolutely free. So yeah, it's sort of just people are clicking on it day by day, and the stats are going up, and I'm getting free opt-ins, and I've only done this once really. So yeah, it's great. So LeadModo is a fantastic tool for growing your bot subscriber list and your email list at the same time, and very, very simple to do. It's fun, people like the quizzes, and yeah, so that's just a little quick update as well, a few days after, to show you that I'm still generating traffic from the quiz, and it works. So I hope that gives you some confidence to move forward and put this fantastic app into action, guys. And cheers for watching this video. And yeah, I'll see you in another one soon.